Mr. Clinton! I missed you, Mr. Clinton. How are you? I know, I was away for almost 3 weeks. I know, I'm so sorry, Mr. Clinton. I wasn't here to be your can opener, but I hired another can opener. Oreo, how are you? I fed him twice since I got home. Twice! And he still looks at me with that I'm starving to death look. I think the people who are feeding him actually put him on a diet, because I can actually see his neck now. It has definition to it. It has a curve to it. Before, it was just kind of this blob of fat between his head and his body. Are you getting in shape, Oreo? Oh boy, Blackberry's back too. Hello, girl. How you doing, Blackberry? I missed you so much. How are you? Good kitty, good. You meowed at me. You never meow. What an adorable little kitten you are. Hello, Blackberry. How are you? Oreo. Clinton. Barry. Oreo. Clinton. Barry. You're so cute. Oh, you are so cute. I love you so much. I missed you. I wish I could take you on a road trip with me, but you piss in my car. Clinton! Did you miss me? Or did you miss me opening cans? Be honest. I think you want a greenie. You guys want a greenie, don't you? Whoa. 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 Let's see who gets the greenie first. Always Clinton. Always Clinton. Another greenie. Okay, Oreo, get the greenie. Oreo, get the greenie. Blackberry, get the greenie, girl. Get the greenie bear. Oh, Jesus. Clinton, you are a thirsty monster. Okay, we have to... Blackberry, come on. Go, shape up. I need you to get a greenie. Jesus Christ, Clinton, you... Oh, shoo, Clinton. Let Blackberry get a greenie. Good Barry. Eat your greenie. You're a good kitty. All right, I gotta get going. See y'all later.